Let's fill out the West Virginia Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps the signed one. Let's walk through what the state requires, step by step. First, let's talk about signatures. West Virginia requires 2 signatures on the transaction. Both the seller and the buyer must sign the back of the West Virginia title. So make sure both parties are present or can coordinate to get that done. Now for notarization. West Virginia does require a notarized bill of sale from the seller to the purchaser. That means you will need to visit a notary public to have this document properly certified before the sale is complete. For the title transfer, you will be working with Form DMV 1-TR. And for vehicle identification purposes, you will need Form DMV-1B. Keep those form numbers handy when you visit your local DMV office. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.